For this recipe, you will need half a punnet of cherry tomatoes, half a cucumber, a quarter to a half of a red onion, olive oil, salt and pepper, 1 garlic clove, 50 grams of unsalted butter, 1 chicken breast, around 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 1 egg, and some breadcrumbs that you have made or bought. As you can see in this video, I have taken it out of the oven and I cut it to make sure that it was cooked in the middle. You do want to make sure that the juices are out of the way because that can make it look more pink than it already is, and you want to make sure that the chicken stays nice and moist because there isn't really a sauce you could, well, you could put tomato ketchup with it, but there isn't really any other sauce you could put with it. The coronavirus pandemic has affected many charities during this difficult time, including Cancer Research UK. The pandemic has affected them by having to consider how the virus is affecting their research employees. As they cannot work as much due to the pandemic being extremely cautious and having to be extra cautious when going to different places when it's very popular, they must be careful that they stay away from work to protect other researchers. COVID-19 has decreased the donations going into their research. The coronavirus has made it more difficult for Cancer Research UK to gather the donations that they need for the research to be as accurate and effective as possible. The donations that they receive helps them buy the equipment and employ the scientists to do the research. Without these donations, Cancer Research have not been able to gather as much data as they usually would due to the coronavirus. This virus has made it extremely difficult for any charity to be successful as they can, so any help would be greatly appreciated for the charity.